Tioga Pass for a while.
What happens when you try and take a shortcut through Yosemite in a bus? They're not going anywhere soon. No, they're not going anywhere soon.
Lady, you gonna step right in front of me?
She wasn't looking at all.
That's jacked up.
At the art on this trailer here. That is not cool. All those people are screwed.
Oh my god. We've gone through the park. It's been 3 hours since we've come back to the spot we ate earlier.
At least 3 hours.
And the bus was stuck on the turnout because he tried to go over a dip and got stuck.
The frame behind the rear wheels was on the ground and the rear wheels are in the air. The front wheels are on the road.
So, here we sit. And,
Get to enjoy nature. Look at this. Lovely. But it's still there. Still in the sand. All the people are sitting there.
All those people waiting.
Good luck, fellers.
That sucks.
Oh, since 11 this morning, or at least.
Oh, that sucks.
What'd you do on vacation? Oh, we sat while the bus was broke down, and we took some pictures of the broken down bus.
That was 4 hours ago.
Yeah, it was a good 4 hours ago at least. Most insane area ever. People on the side of the rock right there.
What?
See the red?
Yeah. The climber.
Climbers.
They look so tiny. So this is your, okay, you guys are from Canada.
Yep.
And
just outside Banff.
outside what?
Outside Banff in Alberta.
Alberta, okay.
Yeah, up in the Rocky Mountains. So.
And how far are you from home right now?
We are 230,000, that's kilometers.
Okay, all right.
Away from home.
And this is a Suzuki.
Suzuki DL650, a V-Strom.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Oh, I like that. Don't drink, mad, and drive. And you guys have all kinds of stickers. How many countries have you ridden in?
Well, this one, my husband actually went around the world in 2013.
Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. You was telling me that you've been all around the world.
Done the lap, yeah. So
awesome.
through Siberia, Mongolia. 2013 was the trip. It was kind of like my 50th birthday present to myself.
Awesome. You're 50.
I'm 52 now.
52.
So yeah,
awesome.
I just said to myself,
that's so cool.
I want to just get out.
I want to ride forever, huh?
Oh yeah, you just keep riding east until you come back
yeah.
again. So it's good fun. So now I've got to write the book.
It's nice to meet you guys.
It's good to meet you as well, and enjoy the riding.
Always nice to meet another fellow woman rider too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So
Yeah,
there's
they-
going to be a whole bunch
do,
of
we're getting-
Mariposa. There's going to be about 600 people there,
Really?
all looking like this.
Wow.
So that's
So
where
cool.
we're headed.
There are more and more
Awesome.
women, more and more women riders on the road these days. So
That's
it's good
cool.
To see.
Thanks you
It's good to
guys.
see.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
take care.
Have a great
Thanks.
trip.
Thank
You
you.
safe
You
riding.
too.
Thank you.